the last one. Then turn our work. So from here we are going to work 15 rows in DM. So when you look at the pattern, work 15, so we've just done this row. We are going to work on this next line. So it says work 15 rows in DM. DM is referring to this box, and we're going to start double Morse pattern, which is worked over 4 rows. Row 1 will be knit 1, purl 1 to end, and then row 2 will be purl 1, knit 1 to end, and row 3 knit 1, purl 1 to end, and row 4 knit 1, purl 1. We are going to repeat these 4 rows until we get 15 rows. So on this this next row, we are going to knit 1 and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So we'll continue with the knit 1, purl 1 until we get to the end of the row.